Welcome to You Can Do It. I've got to do in the next couple of days, I've got to replace my oil in my DSG gearbox. So I've got 6 of these. I was about to order a tray off of Amazon and I decided, no, come on, look, in the theme of recycling and things like that, let's make an oil tray out of something we've already got around. So today's video is going to be about how I'm going to make an oil tray just out of this old can here. So basically this is an old can which picked up. So basically look, I've drawn a line around there. So my idea is I'm just going to cut that around there. And I'll basically have an oil pan with a lid here, look, which I can make with this lid here. And I can just pick that off, look. And if I cut there, then I'll actually have a way of pouring the oil out and things like that. So what I've done, just drilled a little hole in there. I'm going to get my jigsaw and I'm just going to try and jigsaw all the way around there and see how we get on. So let me get my jigsaw. I've got my trusty jigsaw. I'm going to try and have a go at this. Now I'm probably going to need both hands for that. That'll fit in there. But you know what? You know this. Basically the system. I'm just going to cut around there with the jigsaw. So let me have a go at that and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I had to move out there because the wife was in the office and I got a bit of a telling off for making some noise, as you do. But look, that's come out really well. So that's, you know, I sort of deliberately left the lid back there because I can undo that and then pour stuff out of it. I mean, I don't know how easy that will be to do, but I can. So that's proper recycling, isn't it? That's a decent tray there. And then I'm just going to use some sandpaper. I've got some sandpaper here. Just use some sandpaper to take that edge off. So just let me go around there and I'll do that. Okay, look, I've been round there with the sandpaper. Look, that's cleaned it all up. So that's good to go. So now when I'm going to go and change oil on my gearbox, I can just drop that into there, let that pour into there. And that's a 20 litre, it was 20 litre, so I reckon that's going to be a good like 15 litre capacity in there. So that's plenty for what I need. Yeah, so really chuffed about that. I said I was going to go onto Amazon and buy a specific one. I don't know, €15 or something. But I've done a proper bit of recycling there, and that is for nothing. So you can pick these up. If you haven't got one yourself, just go to the garages. They always have them because they've got loads of them that they use for oil and stuff like that, and they'll give you them for free. So that is a way to make yourself a free oil pan for your car, engine oil or gearbox or anything. And the great thing about that is I've got another one there left, look, which I can actually, it's got a bit of washing up liquid, I was just cleaning it. You can just use that for cleaning parts and stuff like that. If you've got something you want to put in here and clean with a wire brush and spray stuff, so you're not getting that all over the place. So it's basically 2 for the price of 1, the price of 0. So you can do it. Hope that helped, and yeah, keep on recycling. You can do it.